Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please type in questions box, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please type in chat window. All right. Good afternoon, guys. All right, sir. I think all of you are coming for a demo class only, right? Java demo, right? Fine. Okay. All right, sir. Now today, just I'm going to give so brief introduction part for Java programming language. After completion of the brief introduction on Java programming language, we are going to understand what exactly about our plan, what we have to do, how I'm going to complete your courses, then what services I'm going to provide behalf of Durgasoft. All the things we are going to understand one time. Of course, in the next class onwards, the total content we are going to start there. But today also, directly I'm going to start our content here, but it's a somewhat introduction kind of things I'm going to discuss with you. All right. So let's see this patch. Just I'm asking one question to you guys, all of you know. Today you're coming for a demo class, right? Why, sir? What is the reason why you are trying to learn Java programming language? Any idea? What is your requirement to learn Java? Casual information. Casual, I'm asking that. I think in every batch I used to ask this question. There is a first question. In my previous batches, my students, what they have given information to me. No, sir, I completed BTech maybe 5 to 6 months back. No, now I'm at present, I'm vacant. My parents are not giving any force to me, but my besides a house, my aunt and uncle, they came to me every day. They're asking to me what you are doing every day. You know, they're asking to me. I'm unable to give response for them. That's why I decided I want to get a job. That's why I came to Hyderabad. I came to Durgasoft. I came for demo class there. That's one of the reason. Is it the reason? Okay, fine. Another reasons no. No, sir. I completed my BTech there. Almost 3 to 4 years back, I completed BTech. Now the situation is what there. My parents are forced me to get marriage. No, when I go to maybe some matches point of view, when I go there, opposite people are asking to me continuously, what you are doing? Do you have any job or not? No, I didn't have any job there. Without job, only 10 lakhs is a dowry. With the job, 1 crore is a dowry. So what I have to do? With 1 crore or without 1 crore? Is a decision here. No? So then that's why I thought of it. I want to get 1 crore dowry. So I want to I want to get a job. That's why I'm coming here today. Do you have any such kind of situations? No? All right, sir. Not like this. So why you are coming for this demo class? Why you are thinking about Java programming language in the sense? Only one simple reason. Only one simple reason. Straightforward information there. To get a job in software industry, and that job should be like what there. It should not be a temporary job. Note this point. That job should not be a temporary one. It should be a permanent one. Of course, in software industry, no job is permanent. Of course, it's a private sector totally, right? But still, I'm telling there, Java side jobs are what they're permanent jobs. Java related jobs are like what they're permanent jobs. Why I'm telling this point there? If you learn Java one time, if you learn Java one time, next 25 years of time, you will not get any problem. It's a permanent solution. Of course, you can expect your service time maybe in the next 25 years only. Already crossed 22, 24, right? 25. How much time we are going to work there? Do you have any thinking about it? Next to 150 years of time I want to work? No, not possible for you. Next to 25 to 30 years of time only we are active time, right? Definitely. That means when compared with other technologies, when compared with other programming languages, Java is maintaining, is providing some consistency in outside. Java is providing what there some straight line. Straight line. Always the arrow is in upward arrow only, not at all in downward. At present, the situation I'm telling there, somewhat recession is going on there, somewhat dry season is going on there, but still Java recruitments are going on. Still, what recruitments are going on there? Java recruitments are going on. Definitely at a fresher level or at experienced level, but not that much of frequency, less frequency, but still going on. It's going on again. That is the power of the Java. We can understand it now. Java will not have any downfall. Even if the worst situations are coming in software industry, still Java is able to have its own area. Because of that reason only, people are trying to learn Java programming language. Okay, that orientation again, we are going to say at some other time, no? But at present, my thinking is what there. Today you are coming for a demo class. Definitely you might be inquired about Java. Before coming for this demo class, at least you need to have some idea what to do, what not to do, then what we have to go for it, in which way we have to learn it. At least you might be inquired about it. From this inquiry, I'm asking this question to you guys. What is the question here I'm asking there? Tell me what you know about Java programming language. At least now tell me how many parts are available in Java programming language. I don't require complete Java immediately. Just I'm asking there, how many parts are available in Java? Java is available in how many parts? That's my question. If you observe this, in general, everybody's information is what there. Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts of Java? First one is what there? Core Java, right? Then everybody, they knows about this one. Term, only terminology. Of course, nobody knows about the total content inside the core Java as you are in a demo class. That's why I'm telling that at least that name we can identify core Java. Second one is what there? Advanced Java. Second one is what there? Advanced Java. And the third one is what there? J2EE. Third one is what there? J2EE. This is in general what people are aware about Java programming language. Come again, guys. Java is available in how many parts now? Three parts. What you are thinking? Three parts now. First one is what there? Core Java. Second one is what there? Advanced Java. Third one is what there? J2EE. Listen. One important point. Whatever the classification here, we are understanding three parts inside the Java: Core Java, Advanced Java, and J2EE. This is totally wrong terminology. What I have there, what I have written there, it is totally wrong. It's a totally wrong division inside the Java. That was not provided by Sun Microsystems. That was not provided by Sun Microsystems. What is this Sun Microsystems? No. What is this Sun Microsystems actually? Oracle is a database that is provided by a company, Oracle Corporation. Windows is an operating system that is provided by company Microsoft. Similarly, Java is a programming language that was provided by a company, Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems is what there is a company. Sun Microsystems has provided Java, but not in this way. Sun Microsystems has provided Java, but not in this way. This is totally wrong terminology. Unfortunately, people are using this terminology in outside, even in some engineering colleges also. This terminology was provided by Hyderabad, Amirpet institutes. Not at all standard one. Provided by, as per their business requirements, institutes are giving this type of terminology right from long time. Long time back onward, the same terminology is going on. That's why this is fixed kind of terminology in outside. But as you are going to understand Java, at least we have to understand what exactly the partition, what exactly the parts, what exactly the modules which are available inside the Java as the first step. Right, because of that reason I'm telling to you, no, I don't want to go with this particular terminology. I want to change this terminology. Now try to understand it now. Java was provided by Sun Microsystems in the form of three parts. Three parts are confirmed, but names are not like Core Java, Advanced Java, and J2EE. The names are different. What are the different names? No, observe carefully. The first one is what there, J2SE or Java SE. Yes, sir. What is this first one? No, J2SE or Java SE. And the second one is J2EE or Java EE. What is the second one here? J2EE or Java EE. And the third one is what there? J2ME or Java ME. You have to understand these points clearly. Now tell me guys, all of you now tell me, Java is available in how many parts now? Three parts. What are the three parts here now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. New names are what there? Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Sir, this name number 2 is available actually. J2SE, J2E, J2ME. 2 is available. Any significance for this number 2? Any? Do you have any significance for this number 2? Nothing, sir. No serious information about it here. But the point is what? What is the convention? What we are following there by seeing that name now? We can understand in Java second version, 70% of the Java was introduced. In the initial version 1.0, 1.1 version, only 30% of the Java was provided. At present, we are using Java now, where 70% of the Java was provided by Sun Microsystems in the second version only. Because of the second, the number, because of the second version, because of giving significance for the second version, the number 2 was added in the names. J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. This is what exactly the point here we have to understand. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not in this particular point now? Leave this one. Okay, sir. I understood. Java is available in three parts. Good. But what is the purpose of each and every one? What you are able to understand about that each and every one. Now let's understand this clearly. First one is what there? J2SE or Java SE. Observe carefully. J2SE or Java SE. We are going to understand some points here now. Listen carefully. First one, what exactly the abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What is the abbreviation for it? No, Java 2 Standard Edition. Clear? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide actually? Will it provide the complete Java? Are you able to get the total Java from the J2SE? No. No. J2SE, it will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming. Come on, understand my point, guys. J2SE will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming. Only foundation, only fundamentals. I think if you know already Java, I can give some concepts now. Object orientation, OOPS concepts, exception handling, multi-threading, IOSIMs, collection framework. All these are like what their foundation, fundamentals. Only these fundamentals are covered inside like what their J2SE. Good. By using these fundamentals, is it possible to prepare any application? Is it possible to prepare any application on the basis of these fundamentals? No. If you observe this point here, answer is very clear. It can be used to prepare, standalone applications. What applications are? It can be used to prepare. Which applications there? No, standalone applications. It can be used to prepare what there? Standalone applications. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Fine, sir. J2SE in the sense Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide? It will provide only what there? Fundamentals of the Java programming. Next one. What it will? What type of applications we are able to prepare with J2SE? Only standalone applications here we are able to prepare. Then immediately we have a question now. What is standalone application, sir? What is the meaning of it now? Observe carefully. I'm going to give some straightforward definition now. If we design and execute Yes, if it design and execute any application without using client server architecture. If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called, what there? Standalone application. Standalone application. That's it, not more than this. Come again, what is the definition I given there? Now tell me, if it design and execute any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. Let's see, I want to show one diagram here. By this you are able to understand it clearly. My requirement is what there? I want to prepare an application without using any client server architecture. No concept like client mission, server mission, protocol, nothing else. Without distributing application logic over multiple missions. Means that prepare the complete application within a single mission. This is my single computer. Within a single mission, prepare the total application. Say for example, I have a program here. Now this is my program. This is my application there. Now inside this, number of instructions here we can write. More and more number of instructions here we can write. This is like what I'm telling there, an application, Java application I'm telling here. For example, Java application. All right, we are going to compile this program within the same computer. We are going to execute the program within the same computer. My program, when I execute my program is asking input data in the same computer. I entered input data in the same computer. My program has executed the program totally. My system has executed the program, giving output from this program within the same computer. Everything is going on within a single computer. It's not available in multiple systems. It's not available even in a client server architecture. No request, no response, no server side program, no separate client side program. Everything within a single mission. Now this type of application is called as a standalone application. This type of application is called as what there? A standalone application. That's clear? All of you are getting clarity? What is the meaning of this standalone application? No? All right. So finally here, what we understood there clearly, what exactly the meaning of standalone application? Answer is very clear. What is that answer here? We given there no answer for this question is what there? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone application. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? That's okay, fine. Okay, fine. I understood, sir. What is the meaning of standalone application? I understood. Can you tell me some examples for standalone applications? Can you tell me examples for standalone applications there? Yes, I can give number of examples, no, but understand this clearly. Say for example, calendar. In my laptop, calendar is available. It's also an application. That application doesn't require client server architecture. That application doesn't require to distribute logic over multiple missions. That calendar is available in a single mission or not? That calendar application is running within a single computer or not? Example for what there? Standalone application. Next one, calculator. Calculator required how many missions? No, only one device, only one computer. In my system, calculator is available. There I'm entering some 5 plus 7, 12 is an output I'm getting there within the same computer, within the same device. Now this is an example for like what there? A standalone application. Not only that, here I'm using paint for a drawing purpose. Is also an application there. It's also running in a single computer. Doesn't require client server architecture. Not only that, now here I'm using what there, something else like what there. Here, maybe Edit Plus. I'm using that. This is called as Edit Plus for writing the data. Notepad I'm using there, and so on and so on and so on and so on. All these are what there? Standalone applications. All the things are what there? Standalone applications. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my points or not? This is a clear-cut information about what their standalone applications. Try to understand this clearly. That's okay, fine. Now, standalone application here, we understood that. Good. But here my question is, how many applications are standalone applications in outside? In outside, number of applications are available. If we take 100% ratio, out of this 100%, no, how many applications are standalone applications? Out of 100% of the applications, what is the ratio of the standalone applications? If you observe this point, no, understand it clearly. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. Then immediately you may get a question. Sir, because of this 5% of the application development only, today we are coming for demo class, we are learning Java. Is that for the sake of only 5% of the requirement in outside? You may have this question here, but I'm telling to you clearly, understand my point here. Observe carefully. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, but it is a dependent language. It's a dependency level, or it's a dependency level, but it's a dependency level is 1000%. It's a direct utilization is what there only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%. Sir, what is this mathematics now? We are coming for Java class or mathematics class now? But scenarios are available like that. What we have to do? Yeah, what I said to you, it's a direct utilization is what there 5%, no, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. How, sir? How 1000% dependency is available here? No, understand my next point here. Observe carefully. It is a dependent programming language. It is a dependent programming language for the tools and technologies. For the tools and technologies, like what are the tools and technologies there? First, observe carefully. To learn J2EE, to learn J2EE, we require foundation or not? Come on, guys. Without having foundation, is it possible to construct any building? Not possible. Definitely, we require strong foundation or not? Strong foundation is what there J2SE, but building is what there J2EE. To learn J2EE, to construct any application in J2EE, definitely we require what there J2SE. Without having J2SE, unable to understand even a single point in J2EE. So definitely we must have strong foundation on J2SE. That's one point. To learn J2EE, we need J2SE. That is point number one. Point number two, answer my point, to work with Salesforce, a product, Salesforce, product is available, Salesforce. To work with the Salesforce, we need J2SE. Next one, to work with Selenium tool, testing tool, Selenium testing tool, we need what this one J2SE. Not only that, like this I'm telling there, now to work with the mobile application development, mobile application platform. What is that? Android. To work with Android, we need what there? J2SE. Like this, so many. Just only some of them are listed here. Even if you want to go with the SAP tools, even if you want to go with what their Hadoop, big data analysis, then everywhere what we require here, J2SE is required. Simply at one side I'm telling there, no core Java, no software industry. No Java, no software industry. In official Java website, we can say that 3 billion devices runs Java at present. That's the portability of the Java. 3 billion devices runs Java at present. When you are installing Java software, that message we can see. They're saying that 3 billion different types of mission, 3 billion types of missions are using Java now at present. Maybe mobile phones, maybe sensors, maybe parking meters, or maybe computers, like different devices. No, 3 billion types of devices runs Java. They're using Java. So because of all these reasons now, it's a direct utilization in application development is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%. Not only in the case of Java, in a different technologies also, the Java is going to be utilized. That's why its a percentage is what there 1000%. Yes, sir. Now the mathematics is clear or not? 5% is direct utilization, but 1000% is what their dependency level. That's why everybody must learn this core Java, minimum core Java. If you want to survive in software industry, minimum one programming language is required. That programming language is what there Java. Clear? All of you are getting clarity now? Okay, fine. Leave this one here. That's okay, guys. Now this is about like what there. Some information here I'm telling to you about this what there J2SE. Come on, sir. Then what exactly the points I discussed with you? First one is what there? What is the abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. It will provide only what there? Come on. It will provide only what there? Fundamentals of the programming language. Right, sir. It can be used to prepare which applications? No, standalone application. What is the standalone application actually? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what there? Standalone application. Am I right or not? Calculator and calendar and paint brush, then all these are what there examples for it. Only 5% of the applications are what there standalone applications. Its a direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. It's a dependent programming language for the tools and technologies like what there J2EE, Salesforce, Selenium tool, Android, SAP related things, no, Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. So many things are existed here. Nothing, sir. J2S in the sense core Java only. In our terminology, if you think, J2S is what there core Java. I will give that list, the total syllabus here. Almost all. When you complete your demo class, the today demo class, no, in our WhatsApp there is a message from Durgasoft. There, the total full stack Java syllabus content here we are able to get. There, if you open it, there we can see the syllabus. What I am going to discuss there. What I am going to discuss and everything might be provided through your WhatsApp message. No, then we can check with that after the class. We are able to get that message anyway. Right, sir. Leave this particular one. After that, the second one is what there J2EE or Java EE. Right. What is the meaning of the J2EE or Java EE? What's your understanding about J2EE or Java EE? Answer my point here. What is the abbreviation for J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2, what there? Enterprise Edition. Clear. Understand it clearly. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Okay, fine. J2SE we understood. Java 2 Standard Edition, that we understood then. Yes, sir, good or not? Java 2 Standard Edition. By using J2SE, what we are able to get? Only fundamentals of the Java we are able to get. Am I right or not? But by using J2EE, what it will provide there? It will provide server-side programming. Yes, sir, it will provide what there? Server-side programming. Understand my point? No, server-side programming means that, okay, server-side programming is able to provide. By using this server-side programming, what type of applications can we are able to prepare? No, right? It can be used to prepare. It can be used to prepare distributed applications. Am I right or not? It can be used to prepare what there distributed applications or enterprise applications. Either we can say distributed applications or we can say what there an enterprise applications. Observe carefully what I'm telling to you. All right, sir. J2EE in the sense Java 2 Enterprise Edition means that it will provide server-side programming. Means that it can be used to prepare what type of applications there? Distributed applications or what next one can know? Enterprise applications. This is a point here we have to understand clearly. All right, sir. After understanding this point here, next one. Okay, fine. What exactly the meaning of distributed application or an enterprise application? Standalone application we understood. What is the meaning of standalone application there? Now tell me, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is called as what there? That means a standalone application. But what exactly the meaning of this enterprise application? Observe carefully. If we design and execute any application on the basis of what there? Client server architecture. On the basis of client server architecture, or observe carefully, by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application, or we can say this is what there are, like an enterprise application, either distributed application or what their enterprise application. Right, sir? This is what exactly the point here we can understand clearly. No. All right, sir. Now observe carefully. This is called as what there? An enterprise application or distributed application. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application or enterprise application. Right, sir. Good. Any example for this distributed application? Or before this example, now tell me what is the percentage of these applications there in outside? No. Tell me what is the percentage of the standalone applications in outside? Standalone applications are how many applications? No, 5% of the application. But here nearly 95% of the applications are distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Is clear? Fine. Tell me any example for it. Distributed application. What are the various examples for distributed applications? I can give so many examples, guys. Now try to understand it now. In every domain, everywhere, in every domain, in every sector, in every platform, distributed applications are going on. Say for example, best example here, what I'm telling to you, maybe Facebook, Gmail, social network applications. No, these are distributed applications only. Next one is all banking applications, ICICI application or maybe HDFC application. All these bank applications are what they're distributed applications. Third one here, all healthcare applications. All healthcare applications are what they're distributed applications. If you go for some standard hospitals there, they're using some softwares for the sake of tracking patients, for the sake of tracking doctors, for the sake of tracking that prescription what they have given there. For the sake of this tracking point of view, they are using some softwares. Healthcare sector. At the same time, like what I'm telling there, all the insurance applications, are what they're distributed applications. Like this in every sector, in aerospace, in everywhere we are able to see what there, these enterprise applications only, distributed applications only. Because of this reason, we can understand what is the percentage of these distributed applications. No, 95% of the applications are what there, distributed applications. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? What exactly the point I given to you? That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Now this is the point here we can understand. So what we understood there about the J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, it will provide only what there, server side programming. It can be used to prepare which type of applications there? No, distributed applications or enterprise applications. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application or enterprise application. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Examples I have given there. In every sector, here we are able to get what there. These are distributed applications or enterprise applications only. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Fine. Next one after this. Third one. What about this third one here? J2ME or Java ME. J2ME or what next one here? Java ME. Right, sir. Now try to understand this clearly. Tell me what is the abbreviation for J2ME or Java ME? No, Java 2 micro edition, not mobile edition, guys. Please remember this. J2ME is what there? Java 2 micro edition. Java 2 micro edition. Right, that's okay, fine. Java 2 micro edition. That's okay, fine. By using J2SE, we are able to get fundamentals of the Java. By using J2EE, we are able to get server-side programming. Similarly, by using J2ME, what we are able to provide there, what we are able to get, no, it will provide, it will provide micro programming. What it will provide, sir? Micro programming. It will provide what there? Micro programming. Clear to all of you know? It will provide micro programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, we prepare standalone applications. By using server-side programming, we prepare distributed applications or enterprise applications. By using this micro programming, we are able to prepare, it can be used to prepare mobile-based applications. What applications are? Mobile-based applications. What's the meaning of this mobile-based applications? No, very simple definition. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called mobile application or mobile based application. Right, sir? What is the simple definition here? If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, on the basis of the mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called what? Their mobile based applications. Good. Tell me, guys, similarly I'm asking there one more point. No, how many applications are standalone applications in outside? No, 5% of the applications are what? Their standalone applications. How many applications are distributed applications? No, 95% of the applications are distributed applications. Similarly, how many applications are mobile based applications? If we observe this, here the answer is what? There 100% of the applications are mobile based applications. If we take any sector, nowadays mobile apps development is going on, mobile apps support is available. So for example, I want to give some food order, that means food items order I want to give. I may have some mobile applications now. What are the various mobile applications there? Like Swiggy or Zomato or Uber Eats or something else. Different apps are available. How we got the tabs? No, by default they are not available in our mobile phone. Am I right or not? By default they are not available in our mobile phone. First we have to go to the Play Store. There we have to search for Swiggy. Then it will come there. Install button is available. If we click on it, then only the app is going to be installed. Now that app is what? Their mobile application. I want to open my YouTube through the mobile phone. I want to open YouTube. Then what we have to do there? Of course, YouTube is a default app in our mobile phones there. But still, if it is not available in our mobile phone, how I'm going to install it now? Go to the Play Store, where search for YouTube. Install button will come there. Click on it. Automatically, it will come now. So all these are like what? Their mobile application. Nowadays, in a healthcare domain, in a social network domain, or in the case of like what there, and food delivery applications maybe, in the case of insurance applications, in the case of banking sector, everywhere mobile application support is available. Telecommunication nowadays maybe. In a telecommunication, say for example, Airtel, I want to pay the bills through to the Airtel. How I'm going to pay the bill? No. Previously, we used to go to the Airtel showroom, Airtel store. There we have to stand in the queue for paying the bills now. But now it is not like that. Nowadays, we can pay the bills through what? Their own API gateways. They're given already some app now. My Airtel app is available. If we install My Airtel app in our mobile phone, through that we can pay the bill. My Vodafone app, My Idea app, right? All the people are providing their own apps now. If we install them, through them we are able to pay the bills to the respective organizations. Are able to follow or not? Nowadays, maybe like what the digital wallets now, digital payment. The digital payments are like what there? What's the meaning of this digital payments now? You can understand like what there? Paytm. Then what next one? Apart from this, phone pay. Next one is what there? GPay. Different things are available. All these are like what there? Mobile applications only. So everywhere, in every sector, mobile application development is going on. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Right. Now the point here, what I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Observe carefully. I'm giving one conclusion or try to understand it. No, mobile application development is getting very good demand. Mobile application development is getting what there? Very good demand. But J2ME is not having demand. J2ME is not having what their demand. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? J2ME is almost all dead in outside. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. Totally, it was down. Totally, it was down. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. Even if you touch any Java developer in outside there, what is there inside the Java? They used to say J2SE, J2EE. That's it. They will not say like what their J2ME. Why? Because they've forgotten about it. Because of the alternatives like Android or maybe iPhone application development platform, because of these many alternatives, no, J2ME is getting very less demand nowadays. Nobody is using J2ME part of their application development. So many alternatives are available. Sir, all of you getting my point or not? Right, so now this is what exactly the story about what there J2ME. Right, sir. Then overall, Java was available, was provided in how many parts? No, 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. J2SE will provide what? Fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will provide what? Server side programming. J2ME will provide what? Micro programming. By using J2SE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. By using J2EE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Enterprise applications or distributed applications. By using J2ME, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile based applications, mobile applications. No. What is standalone application? Design and execute application in a single computer by using a single computer, not by distributing application logic over multiple machines, not by using what their client server architecture. That is called as what their standalone application. What is distributed application? No. Opposite. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is what their distributed applications or enterprise application. What is this mobile based applications? No, if we design and execute any application on the base of mobile hardware architecture, then it is called as what there? Then J2ME. That means mobile based applications. What is the ratio of the standalone applications in outside? Only 5%. What is the ratio of the distributed applications in outside? 95%. What is the ratio of the mobile based applications? No, 100%. No, got or not? All right, sir. So if you want to go with Java, only 2 modules are sufficient, not required to go for J2ME. What are the 2 modules there? J2SE and J2EE. Right, so like this, some examples here I'm going to give, some content here we understood clearly. Right, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Okay, fine. Now here, after this, after completion of this total content here, now if we come for our, okay sir, just this is a basic awareness here I'm giving there, somewhat information there. Now I would like to give the plan what you are going to have, what exactly the demo class here I'm conducting there, for what purpose I'm taking there. First of all, let us see what are the various advantages we are able to get by attending this course now. What advantages here we are able to get? Now try to recognize this. I listed out some points here. Only one time only I'm going to discuss about all these things, that too in a demo class. Next onwards, we are going to talk total information about our technology, not more than that. Let's see this. What is the first one here? No? Right, sir. All the classes are recording. All the classes are recorded, being recorded here. Even today's class is also be recorded here. Every class recording will be provided to you. Every class. This is a good opportunity for all the offline students. Right, no institute in Hyderabad is providing this support. Only Durgasoft is giving support. That to my classes, that to myself I'm giving this support here. Every class is being recorded. Every class recording will be provided to you through Google Drive access. Up to 1 year is an official boundary, but more than that 1 year we are able to get. More than 1 year we are able to get. That means Google Drive share we are able to provide. Google Drive access we will provide there. We can access it at any time. 24/7 we can access them. Up to 1 year is the official boundary, but more than that we are able to provide. No need to worry for it. This is one point here. Every material is provided to you. That means every class material is provided to you. Actually, soft copy will be provided for both offline as well as for what their online students. Soft copy will be provided to you. In the case if you want to get a hard copy, then it's available in the office, no, but it is a chargeable, right? You can go to our office, then we can check out that office regarding this cost now. Right, sir. Next one is all classroom applications we are able to access. All classroom notes we are able to get, including today's classroom notes. I'm able to give one link to you. If you click on that link, automatically classroom notes you are able to see. Right, you the people, you no need to bring any notes, nothing else to the classroom. Just come to the class and understand the content. Even the required notes also I'm going to prepare inside the classroom. Every point I'm going to be including our notes. While explaining the content, I'm able to type the content here. I can provide the total document to you. You can utilize it. Yes, sir, got my point or not? So my notes, my classroom notes is very, very important. Live classroom notes I'm providing there. All of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Next one is after that. At the end of the courses, we are able to get what their course completion certificate. Definitely, behalf of Durgasoft, we are able to get what their course completion certificate. Don't worry. Next one is what there after this now. Yeah, this is important here. I have nearly 50 companies with us. Previously, long, almost all, right from 15 years onwards, we are in the same field. Then we are processing number of companies there. So occasionally in the sense, randomly company people are asking to us, try to send some students to their company, no? Then what I'm going to do there, I'll invite that companies to the Durgasoft to conduct the campus drives. Campus interviews are going on here. But again, I'm telling there, I'm not believing in job guarantee programs. I'm totally against for the job guarantee programs. But I can give content guarantee program, subject guarantee program. Even though you're not joined with me, but I need to give that fact. And outside, some as per my philosophy, some kind of what I'm telling there, fake things are going to be happening outside here. See, simple. 1 minute I'm talking with you. Try to understand it now. If we are getting job in the sense, what is my participation and what is your participation in the way of getting job? Now tell me what you are thinking about it now. I'm thinking about it as a trainer. My participation is only 30%. Just I'm taking a class regularly. I'm not going to teach only for you. I'm teaching for everybody. Among them, you are the one person. You are receiving my content. So my participation is 30% only. But 70 remaining 70% of the hard work you have to do. Then only you are able to get job in outside. Think about it. If you want to get a job in outside there, you must work up to 70%. My participation is what there 30% now. Now tell me, on the base of your 70% of the hard work, how I can give guarantee? Simple logic. Then most of the people are not thinking about this direction here. Observe carefully. If you do hard work, definitely you will get job. If you are not doing hard work, you will not get job. There's a simple principle here. But from my side, what support here I'm telling there, I can invite companies here. Companies will come here, companies will conduct some written tests or maybe some kind of environment, then you may be selected. That is one option. Second thing is what there, I'm going to give more content, more subject, effective subject, quality of subject I'm going to provide. If I give the total concepts to you, getting job is nothing. Getting job is nothing. Even if you go for any interview, you can play with interviewer. So I want to increase your subject level. That is my philosophy. If I increase your subject level, you can survive at any location. What is going on, sir, in job guarantee programs? No, this I'm not blaming, I'm not criticizing anybody else. No, of course, their style of doing that things are okay, fine, that's different. But my thinking, I'm telling them, what's going to be happen there in job guarantee program? No, within 1 month or 45 days of time, full stack Java is completed. Then what next one? You might be then they're able to conduct some interviews there. Maybe the companies are original companies or fake companies, we don't know. Once you join with that companies there, within 3 months of time, they fired you. Again, you are coming outside. Without having knowledge, even if you go to the company, what you will do in the company? If you have subject, then you can do something in the company, but without having knowledge, what we are able to in the company? If we are knowledgeable, easily we can get job. If we have knowledge, then we are able to get job. So that's why then I'm telling to you clearly, those who are very much serious on your subject, then only you can attend my classes. Still, if you're expecting job guarantee program and sir give some references in the company, give some recommendation in the company, in the sense, better to stop my classes now. The simple scenario, what I'm telling to you, here once you are coming in inside the class, in the sense, you are coming for the sake of learning that actual subject. Here I'm here for giving more clarity on the subject, more content on the subject. Observe carefully. It's not like what there any entertainment channel. This is clear cut information. In the next few months of time, if you want to do hard work for getting job, then come to me, come and join with me. I will give definitely good platform for you. Subject point of view, very good content I'm going to discuss. At the end of the story, I want to see all of you to teach Java to somebody else. Your status should be at the end of the story is what there you can discuss, we can teach Java to somebody else. If you are in a position to teach Java to somebody else, no, getting job is nothing. Getting job is nothing. We can play with that interviewer. Who is that interviewer, sir? Max. Who is that interviewer? Maybe 4 or 5 years senior than you. Am I right or not? Who is that senior? Actually, is ex-student of Durgasoft maybe. 4 years back, he learned the subject. Now we are learning the subject. That only the difference. But the point is what? If you know subject, you can play with interviewer. If you don't know subject, interviewer will play with you. Simple scenario. So here my philosophy is what there? As much as what exactly the knowledge I'm having there, at the end of the day, I want to transfer my complete knowledge to you. At the end of the day, your knowledge and my knowledge must be same. In that way, I'm going to improve the knowledge. That's the point here, what I'm telling you now. Right, anyway, leave this one. That is my philosophy I'm telling there. I said to you clearly, I'm not believing in job guarantee program, but more than the job guarantee program, I'm providing training here. Part of that, I'm providing like what they, on every topic written test I'm going to be conducted. On every topic written test I'm going to be conducted. Damn sure you are able to get what the written test. Written test I'm going to conduct. For only core Java, and for every topic, minimum 30 questions or 50 questions, written test papers we are going to provide. At the end of the core Java, you can get more than 1,000 questions in core Java. More than 1,000 interview questions we are able to get in core Java. Observe carefully what I'm telling you now. So definitely concepts wise we are going to conduct some written tests there. No? That's one thing here. Next one, mock interviews. I'm planning for it. So far I didn't plan for it, but I want to plan for this no mock interviews for the students there. At the end of the core Java, I'll plan for this mock interviews, not in the middle of the core Java. I will take interview, especially I will take myself. I will sit in front of you. I will take interview one by one, one by one. I will take interview now, so that I will show where we are and what we are. I will give some tips to improve yourself. At the same time, you are going to understand where we are lack. Understand my point now? So that mock interviews we are going to take. The remaining things are like what there, then technical related things. No, I'm going to use 2 databases in my JDBC programming like MySQL or Oracle, working with multiple servers like this, working with multiple IDEs, IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse and NetBeans. No, of course, part of the course interview questions are going to be covered. I will dictate the content here. I will type the interview question and answer clearly on every topic there. Right. What versions I'm going to be covered, guys? What versions I'm going to be covered? SHO. My concept is totally subject related. So at present, what is the latest version of the Java? Up to that, I'm going to teach. At present, what is the latest version of the Java? 19th version. 19th version is the latest version of the Java. That 19th version I'm going to teach for you. By completing your course, if Java 20 is available, by completing your course, Java 20 is available, then I can discuss what there Java 20 also. By default, you can understand it here. It's a matter of one day for me to update the content here. New features there. Then I can discuss that. Up to Java 9. That means Java 7 onwards, we can understand it here. Java 8 onward, Java 8, Java 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Up to like what there, Java 20th version, we are going to understand. Once you learn your course up to 20th version of the Java or 90th version of the Java, in the next 20 years of time, you should not come back. Now at present, which version is going on? Do you know that? In software industry, which version is going on there? Still some companies are using Java 8 version. Some companies are using Java 10 version, maybe rarely. recently one company might be they are migrating from Java 8 to Java 17. One company, one notice I got there, one company. But market, that means Java people have introduced Java versions frequently, but industry is not ready to use that newer versions immediately. For migration time, nearly 5 to 6 years of time. One new version was introduced, in the sense, if you want to use that in the industry, it may take nearly 5 to 6 years of time after releasing that version then. So Java 19th version, if you learn, then we are able to understand. You want to leave, right? You can go. Right, sir. Understand it clearly now. So Java 19th version, we are going to, if you are understanding there, you may not get any problem in the next 20 to 25 years of time there. That's the point here, what I'm telling you guys. That's okay, fine. There are the advantages here, what we are getting now. Right, even this document also I will share with you, no need to worry for it. After completion of this, what exactly the batches we are starting, what packages we are having there. Today, think of it, core Java demo class I have taken there, Java class demo class I have taken there. What packages here we are starting actually, we are having there. Right, so now only individual course if you want to take, today is a demo class for core Java. Next one is what their basic Java package, no? Where what we are having there, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and this kind of basic concepts, no? Not Angular, not React JS and all. Next one, complete Java package, no? Nearly 9 topics here we are going to discuss. Core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI. These many things. Full stack Java. Nowadays it's a trending now. Every company is looking for full stack Java. All right, now here, Oracle, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI, Angular or React. Either of this one we have to select. Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. The total cycle, titles, project life cycle, right from starting point to ending point of the project, everything we are including inside this what their full stack Java development. But nowadays, everybody is referring what their full stack Java development only. Every company is looking for what their full stack Java development only. So now today just I'm taking this demo class in the sense automatically all the 4 batches are going to be covered. In all batches, no core Java is common or not? And today just I've taken demo class for what their core Java. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this, that other thing is like what I'm telling to you. It's okay, fine. These are the details here we can understand about this content. Out of all these things, my participation, what I'm going to teach at Durgasoft, what I'm planning there to take the classes, no, the total Java stream, right from core Java to up to web services, I'll be the responsible person for it. Remaining courses, Oracle, Basic UI, non-Java, might be they will be taken by some other faculty at Durgasoft. Some other expert trainers are available. They had nearly 10 to 12 years of experience now. They will take the remaining courses there, but total Java, almost all the Java full stack in the sense 70% of the syllabus is with what there Java only. Remaining 30% of the situation is what there remaining courses now. Up to 70% of the full stack Java I will take. That means the total Java I will take the responsibility. Everything will be provided in a clear-cut manner, guys. No need to worry for it. Subject point of view, leave that option to me. How to inject that subject. But your responsibility is what they coming to the classes regularly is your responsibility. That's it. Just if we come and sit inside the class now, definitely we'll get 60 to 70% of the knowledge. Just every day, 10 to 15 minutes of time, if you observe the notes, what we are discussing there, if you observe the notes, remaining 80% of the knowledge we are able to get. And moreover, I'm going to provide live executions. Every requirement I will take in front of you. Every program I will type in front of you. I will type the program, not copy and paste, not by preparing programs at our home and showing the no, not this kind of situation. Every requirement I will type. Even ABCDs also I will type. Class test, public static void main, string arrays, everything I will type. But step by step, I'm going to improve your technical skills. So this is what exactly the plan here, what I'm having there. Got it or not? Right, sir. Next one is what there. Then after this, now coming to the syllabus, guys. Just 1 minute, I'm telling there. Few minutes, 5 minutes, I'll finish it. No. Core Java. If you observe this core Java content here, the topics are like what there. First one is introduction. What is there inside this introduction? No differences between Java and other programming languages. Java features like this. This small concepts. No theory, totally theory. Second one is what there steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare what there? First Java application. Right from installation of the Java software, how to download Java software, how to install Java software, then after that, how to save Java file, how to write program, how to compile program, how to execute program, everything we are going to understand. After this, point number 3, observe carefully, language fundamentals. Like already we covered in C, C++ here. How to write for loop, how to write while loop, how to write if condition, if else part, break statement, continue statement. These things are going to be covered. Then the fourth one is like what there? Oops. This is the real starting point for Java. Object orientation. From this object orientation onwards, actual Java will start. From this object orientation onwards, actual Java will start. Right, sir. And so on and so on and so on. All the topics are available. All right, 36th topic, I think so, Java 19 versions. Definitely, after the class, you will get one WhatsApp message. There we can see the total full stack Java syllabus. There we can see the core Java syllabus also. In that syllabus might be Java 19 version. That name may not be available, but I'm telling to you clearly, up to Java 19 version here, we are able to get the total content, guys. Okay, fine. Next one, what I'm telling to you, listen, guys, one point here. This first topic is totally theory, complete theoretical content there. So what I'm telling to you, next class I will start directly how to prepare programs, simple programs only. That means how to install Java software in our system. I will show that one. These theoretical concepts I will take at some other time. Some other time in the sense maybe in the future I will take it now. Sir, got it or not? Not immediately, or weekends, or maybe at some other time. The theoretical concepts I will take no directly. Next class onwards I will start what there steps to prepare first Java application. But this second topic is not dependent on first topic. Actual Java will start right from what there oops onwards. Before that, these three topics are only foundation, fundamental units, fundamental concepts only. That means you are in a different tracks. If any non-computer science student is coming there, for them I'm talking about like what there these concepts can know. If any person who is not having any programming knowledge, for them I need to discuss about him. Actual Java will start from what there oops onwards can know. But in the next class I'm going to take what there how to prepare first program, but theoretical part I will discuss with you. Maybe in the future I will discuss about it here. I'll give schedule for it. I will take the classes to you. No need to worry for it. But at present I'm going to take what there steps to prepare first Java application. Sir, got it or not? Okay, fine. Right, sir. Then people might be thinking about it. Working hours per week. How many classes we are planning there now? All right, sir. At initially, maybe first weekend, first Saturday and Sunday, no classes. Today is Friday, right? Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, don't come for the class there. Next class will be on what there? On Monday. That will be the second demo. You can think of it, but no demos, no further demos there. Even no concepts like any demo here. Already I started the content here. Monday onwards, I'm going to start directly how to download and install Java software, this kind of steps now. Don't miss that Monday's class here. Monday onwards, I'm going to start our actual content. Observe carefully, you know. The theory I will discuss with you separately now, not mandatory for us, but I will discuss the theory also. No need to worry for it. After that, then what next one here I'm telling to you, apart from this, no, Monday onwards we are planning for it, no, then continuously here we are going to understand the content here, right? Apart from this, what I'm trying to say to you, think I forgot one point here. Yeah, timing, right? Per week, how many hours I'm going to take there? At startup time, Saturday, first week, Saturday and Sunday is a gap. In the next week onwards, Monday to Saturday, classes are mandatory. Monday to Saturday, classes are mandatory. And initially and Sunday, I want to give gap. Understand, guys, what I'm telling them? But after starting object orientation, depending on our situation, possibilities are available to take classes even on Sundays also. There is a chance to take classes on Sundays also. But if you are not in right track, if you are at somewhat lagging position there, definitely I'll put concentration on Sundays classes also. If I take the class on Sunday, it's not like 1.5 hours. Definitely I'm going to take what there somewhat extra, maybe 2 to 3 hours of time I'm planning there to take somewhat extra content here now. So I'm able to speed up the content here by taking class on Sundays, but not immediately. But I need to check the situation here. When I'm going to start whoops topic there, after that I may plan for Sundays classes. But before whoops, no, we are going to take only what content here, no, only Monday to Saturday class are available, but Sunday class is optional. Not possible to take the Sundays classes there clearly immediately, no. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? But this first introduction part I will take to you maybe at the weekends or maybe at some other schedule I will provide you. By that I'm able to take it. I'll complete it. No need to worry for it. Okay. Right, sir. Apart from this, every day at 4:30 I'm planning for these classes, guys. 4:30 to 6. If you want to start with the full stack Java, 4:32 up to like what there 9 o'clock. We have to sit here, but not immediately. Course by course, course by course, all the courses are going to be started. Now I'm taking this core Java. Whenever I'm in the middle of the core Java, I may start what there advanced Java. That is a separate course there in a separate timing. But the timing should not be at morning time. The timing will be next duration. That means up to 9 o'clock. 4:30 we are planning there. 4:30 to 9 is what there is a time. Within that, 2 to 3 slots I'm going to take, but not immediately. After completion of some part in core Java, I will start advanced Java. When I complete advanced Java up to middle now, then I will start frameworks topic then. I have a clear cut schedule for it. No need to think much about it here. I will give the notifications to you time to time now. But Java courses are dependent courses, no? But remaining courses are not at all dependent. At any time we can start Oracle, at any time we can start basic UI, at any time we can start like what the Linux, AWS and DevOps tools, all the courses we can start even tomorrow onwards. But Java related courses, no dependency is available. I'll give intimation to you at what time we have to start the next course. But at present we are started with core Java. Next 1 month or 45 days of time, don't think about any other course, no, in Java. But we can start Oracle class tomorrow onwards. We can start Oracle if Oracle batch is available. Tomorrow onwards we can start what there UI classes there if UI classes are available. Okay, answer my point. Morning to evening courses are going to be start there. Evening slots we can assign for my Java. Remaining courses we can learn at what time there in the remaining timing now. 4:30 to 9 now, only Java stream. Assign that the time for me. Remaining time we can start with Oracle. We can start with what there UI classes there. Any classes here we can start. Morning 7 to up to night 9 the class are going to be happen. Depending on your requirement, depending on your suitable time, we can start with our content there clearly. Is that all of you are getting it or not? Right, guys. Now this is somewhat information to you. We can understand it now. Then when we have to join with us again, when we are going to attend again next class now, next class will be on Monday, not on tomorrow. Then Saturday and Sunday, just we can take gap. And next Monday, coming Monday, I'll plan for the second class here, where I'm going to start directly steps to prepare first Java application. Without failure, try to attend for it. How to install Java, how to provide setups in Java, what we have to do in a standard way. I'm going to provide all the content, guys. Right? Thank you, sir. Thank you for attending this demo class. I'll meet on Monday. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, then uh, yeah, are we not required to know any prerequisite? Just directly you can come to the class, you can understand. Don't need to have any prerequisite, no? Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, Prasad, exactly the same thing. Yeah, in the middle of the core Java, I will start what there, advanced Java. In the middle of the advanced Java, I'll start the frameworks. In this way, I'm going to take now. Yeah, definitely. OCJB coaches Max, Prachi Singh. I think you're attending regularly, right? Yeah. Yeah. Good evening, Priyanka Yadav. Good evening. Speaking English, not understanding. Yeah, exactly. Basic package. Yeah, exactly. I think it's not in basic package, no? It will. About separately, the course are going to be started there. Hmm, 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 hmm. Yeah, then I think I have a clear information there. 4:30 to 6 is a core Java. It's going on continuously. Up to 3 to 3.5 months of time, we have to stay with that. In the middle of the core Java, then after 45 days of time, advanced Java class, I may plan at what time there 7:30. Acha, you are asking about total duration, no? After 45 to 50 days of time. Yeah, of course. Sure. Thank you. Yeah, Arvid, then it will take minimum 3 months of time. Priyanka, just wanted to know for learning. Yeah, core Java is enough. White core Java is enough. Priyanka. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Priyanka. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Yeah, Prasad, that's sufficient. That's sufficient. In the parallel way, I'm going to take the content. Right. Yeah. I want to become automation test engineer. Then core Java is sufficient. Yes, exactly, Arvind. Core Java is sufficient. Core Java is sufficient. Raj Shah, for learning automation, Core Java is sufficient. No need to go with advanced Java. Just Core Java is sufficient. Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. On Monday, I'll go with like what there steps to prepare first application. Yeah, okay. How to prepare first application, I will show to you. Right. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on Monday. Yeah, happy weekend, Priyanka. Cool.